Here is the background knowledge before we start. In that the general form of quadratic equations, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, in the quadratic formula has the roots x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This has two roots which we can split as follows. Alpha equals to minus b minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, if we let alpha be the first root. And using beta to represent the second root, we have it as minus b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta, is going to be minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a plus minus b plus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which simplifies to minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a minus b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And since the two fractions have the same lowest common denominator, which is 2a, they can be combined together as a single. And since the two fractions have the same lowest common denominator, which is 2a, they can be combined together as a single fraction with 2a as the denominator. And that is going to be minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, then minus b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything over 2a. Then here, the negative square root of b squared minus 4ac cancel out the positive one, which means that we are left with minus b over 2a. This gives minus 2b over 2a, with 2 cancelling out 2, meaning that we have minus b over a as the sum of the roots. For product of roots, that is alpha times beta, the root we have adopted, we have minus b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a multiplying minus b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Starting with minus b here to multiply every term in the second bracket, we have b squared, which is the product of minus b times minus b. Then minus b times plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac is going to give minus b root b squared minus 4ac. Then we switch to negative root b squared minus 4ac to multiply the second bracket. So that first gives plus b times root b squared minus 4ac. Then the square root of negative b squared minus 4ac multiplying its positive, they are conjugates. That is going to give us negative b squared minus 4ac, as the square root cancel out when they are squared. In the denominator, we have the product of 2a and 2a giving 4a squared. Here, minus b times the square root of b squared minus 4ac, we cancel out plus b times the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and we will be left with b squared, opening the bracket, we have minus b squared plus 4ac over 4a squared, where b squared minus b squared goes off, leaving us with 4ac over 4a squared, eventually becoming c over a when we reduce to the lowest term. This is the product of roots, alpha, beta. Leave your comments in the comments box and we will respond to them. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates about future tutorials. Thank you, and God bless.